Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept, it's here, shaping the world around us. From personalized recommendations on your favorite streaming platform to the chatbots that assist you online, AI is embedded in our daily lives. But for many, AI still feels like a complex and intimidating field, reserved for tech geniuses and programmers. That's far from the truth. Anyone can get started with AI, and in 2025, it's easier than ever. Understanding AI begins with grasping what it really is. At its core, AI refers to machines that can simulate human intelligence. This includes learning from data, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. It doesn't mean that computers think like humans, but they can process vast amounts of information quickly and efficiently, sometimes even outperforming us in specific tasks. One of the most common misconceptions about AI is that it's all about robots. While robots can be powered by AI, the field itself is much broader. AI exists in software, algorithms, and digital applications that assist in various industries like healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment. Self-driving cars, facial recognition, and even your virtual assistant, like Siri or Alexa, rely on AI-powered algorithms. Getting started with AI requires a few basic building blocks. First, you need to familiarize yourself with some fundamental concepts. Machine learning, a subset of AI, is particularly important to understand. It refers to systems that can learn from experience without being explicitly programmed. Neural networks, inspired by the human brain, play a crucial role in deep learning, a more advanced form of machine learning. Natural language processing, which allows AI to understand and generate human language, is another key area. You don't need to be a coding expert to start learning about AI, but understanding some programming basics will be helpful. Python is the most commonly used language in AI development due to its simplicity and vast library support. Libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch help in building and training AI models. Platforms like Google Colab allow you to experiment with AI code in a beginner-friendly environment. If coding seems intimidating, don't worry. In 2025, many no-code AI tools make it possible to create AI-powered applications without writing a single line of code. Platforms like Runway ML, Teachable Machine, and OpenAI's ChatGPT allow users to harness the power of AI through simple interfaces. These tools enable content creation, data analysis, and automation, making AI accessible to everyone, even those without a technical background. AI can seem overwhelming at first, so starting with small projects is the best approach. Consider using AI-powered tools in your daily life. Experiment with AI-generated art, automate repetitive tasks with AI-driven assistants, or explore how AI can improve your productivity. For those looking to take AI more seriously, online courses are an excellent way to learn. Platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and edX offer AI and machine learning courses designed for beginners. Many universities provide free courses online, allowing you to gain knowledge from top AI researchers without any cost. AI communities and forums such as Kaggle and AI-specific subreddits are great places to interact with experts and enthusiasts, learn from discussions, and even participate in AI challenges. Ethical considerations are an important part of AI. As AI becomes more powerful, it also raises concerns about privacy, bias, and job displacement. Understanding the ethical side of AI ensures that you use it responsibly. Bias in AI models can lead to unfair outcomes, so being aware of data sources and potential biases in AI algorithms is crucial. AI is also transforming the job market. Many roles now require at least a basic understanding of AI. Knowing how AI works can give you an advantage in fields like marketing, finance, healthcare, and software development. Even if you're not planning to become an AI engineer, familiarity with AI-driven tools can make you more efficient in any profession. One of the easiest ways to integrate AI into your workflow is through AI-powered productivity tools. AI-driven writing assistants like Grammarly or Jasper help improve writing efficiency. AI-powered design tools like Canva's Magic Design or Adobe's Sensei allow creatives to speed up the design process. For video editing, AI-based tools can generate subtitles, enhance footage, and automate tedious editing tasks. For entrepreneurs and small business owners, AI opens new opportunities. AI-driven analytics tools help businesses understand customer behavior and optimize marketing strategies. AI chatbots provide instant customer support, reducing workload and improving user experience. AI-generated content can help automate blog writing, social media posts, and even video creation, saving time and resources. Looking ahead, AI is only going to become more integrated into everyday life. AI-powered assistants will become smarter, helping with scheduling, communication, and decision-making. AI-generated media, such as text, images, and videos, will become even more realistic and widely used. Advancements in AI will continue to impact industries, leading to innovations that we can barely imagine today. In 2025, AI is more accessible than ever. The barriers to entry have never been lower, and the opportunities have never been greater. By starting small, staying curious, and continuously exploring, anyone can harness the power of AI to enhance their lives. The future of AI is not just for tech giants, it's for everyone willing to learn and adapt. The question is not whether AI will impact your life, but how you will choose to use it. Now is the perfect time to start your journey into the world of artificial intelligence.